Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2020 Chevrolet Trax. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Trax makes navigating the city fun and energizing. Its functional, sporty style, connectivity, and safety features infuse every drive with confidence. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, keyless start, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, wheel locks, power steering. Keep it simple, safe, and fun with the Trax. Drive it today.